Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to recover your Discord password on mobile. So if you're trying to log into your Discord account but you forgot your password, here's how to easily reset your Discord account password. And the process will be similar for Android and iPhone users. Go ahead and launch your Discord app and tap on login. Once you are in Discord login page, in this box, write here your account, email address or your phone number, and then tap on forgot your password. And now you will get a verification code to your phone number. Or if you created your Discord account using your email address, and then after entering your email address, you will get the verification code in your Gmail. All you have to need, just collect the verification code and add the code here. And tap on verify. Once you've successfully verified your Discord account email address or phone number, here you will get the option to easily change your account password. All you have to need, just write here a new password for your account. Make sure to use a strong password and then tap on change password. After creating your new password, just tap on change password and your password will be changed. But if you don't have your Discord account email address and phone number access, here's how you can recover your Discord account. To do that, we have to submit a request form to Discord help and support page. And here's how to do it. Go to your browser and search for Discord support. And here tap on submit a request. And what can we help you with? Here select help and support. And now in this box you have to write your email address that you can access, that you have access, and type of question box. Here select Discord account credentials. And here select forgot password, or you can select forgot email, or you can select I no longer have access to my email account. And in the subject box just type recover account. And in this description box you have to carefully describe that you want to get back your Discord account but you forgot your account password and you don't have access of your Discord account email address and phone number. And then just submit this form and you have to check your provided email address to get any response from Discord support. This is how we can get back or recover our Discord password. If this video helped you out, leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.